Solve this system of equations using the substitution method. With the substitution method of solving a system of equations, you solve for one of the variables in one of the equations and substitute that variable into the second equation. When using this method, start by identifying expressions with a coefficient of 1. Those make for the simplest substitution. In this equation, both x and y have a coefficient of 1. So let's solve for y. We get y equals 7 minus x. Substitute this expression for y into this equation. So we get 3x plus, and instead of y, we write 7 minus x equals 11. There are two x terms now, so combine them. 3x minus x is 2x. Plus 7 equals 11. Subtract 7 from both sides to get 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 2. Now we take this value for 2 and plug it into the first equation. So we get 2 plus y equals 7. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we get y equals 5. So the solution to this system is x equals 2 and y equals 5.